Space is fascinating, mysterious, and dangerous. It's been the source of human curiosity for thousands of years. But only in the last century have we begun to explore it in earnest. And some of the missions we've undertaken have been truly shocking. Also, stick around until the end to learn about one of the most shocking space discoveries ever made. You won't want to miss this. From close encounters with other worlds to journeys into the unknown, these are 5 of the most shocking space missions ever launched. Before we begin, be sure to hit that like button for more videos. And Michael Collins launched from Cape Canaveral, Florida on a mission to land on the moon. In 1977, NASA launched the Voyager space probes, which carried a golden record containing sounds and images of Earth and humanity aboard. The record was designed to be a message in a bottle, a way to communicate with any potential alien civilizations that might find the Voyager probes. And if you want to learn more about the most shocking space discovery ever made, click the link in the description below. The golden record contains a variety of sounds from different cultures on Earth, as well as images of parents, babies, and animals. It also includes a chemical element, a universal greeting, and a set of mathematical concepts. The Voyager probes were not equipped to play the record, but it was included as a way to ensure that if the probes were discovered by an alien civilization, they would have a way to learn about Earth and its inhabitants. To date, the Voyager probes are the farthest human-made objects from Earth, and the golden record remains a powerful symbol of humanity's desire to communicate with the universe. After 4 days in space, the lunar module carrying Armstrong and Aldrin separated from the command module and began its descent to the surface of the moon. On August 15, 1977, a radio telescope in Ohio picked up a strange signal from space that has since become known as the WOW signal. The signal was 30 times stronger than any natural radio source, and it lasted for 50 hours. While the signal was never detected again, it remains one of the most intriguing mysteries in astronomy. Some believe that the WOW signal may have been a transmission from an extraterrestrial civilization. However, others argue that it was likely a misidentification of a known object or a malfunction of the radio telescope. The WOW signal remains a fascinating mystery, and it continues to capture the imaginations of astronomers and the general public alike. On July 21, at approximately 10:56 p.m. Eastern Time, Armstrong and Aldrin landed the lunar module in the Sea of Tranquility. At 10:57 p.m., Armstrong became the first human to set foot on the moon. As he stepped off the ladder and onto the lunar surface, he famously said, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." This mission was a major achievement for the space program, and it proved that humans were capable of exploring beyond our planet. This was a risky endeavor, as Cooper had to make the spacewalk tethered to the bottom of his space capsule. If something had gone wrong and he had become untethered, he would have been lost in space forever. Despite the danger, Cooper successfully completed the spacewalk, which lasted for over 20 minutes. During this time, he performed several experiments and took photographs of the Earth from a unique perspective. This mission was a major accomplishment for the space program, and it paved the way for future spacewalks, which would enable astronauts to work outside of the safety of their spacecraft. Number 5, the first artificial satellite. On October 4, 1957, the Soviet Union launched the world's first artificial satellite into space. This event, known as Sputnik 1, marked a major milestone in the space race between the United States and the Soviet Union during the Cold War. The launch of Sputnik 1 was a major shock to the United States. The country had been caught off guard by the Soviet-Hess technological advancement, and it was clear that the U.S. needed to invest heavily in its own space program if it was going to stay ahead of the Soviets. This event led to the creation of NASA and the beginning of the space program. And ultimately, it helped to spur on many technological advancements that have benefited society as a whole. Number 4, the first spacewalk. On March 18, 1965, American astronaut Gordon Cooper became the first person to walk in space. Number 3, the first moon landing. On July 20, 1969, the Apollo 11 spacecraft carrying astronauts Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin. Number 2, Voyager's golden record. Number 1, the WOW signal. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button for more videos.